Okay, this is the People versus Crystal Ruffin, ticket number U40530908, count 1, loitering. Ticket number 322837, count 1, drive-by license suspended. And ticket number P102882, count 1, fails to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record. Starting with
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Crystal Ruffin.
Your Honor, there is an offer. My client plead guilty to the disorderly conduct charge with a 3-month delayed sentence. The other city case to be dismissed, and I believe the state case was supposed to be dismissed also.
All right, you said your client does wish to avail herself to that offer.
She accepts it, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, Ms. Ruffin? But I'm assuming you raise your hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, put your hand down. You have had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of April 5th, 2008. At approximately 2:35 a.m. on that date and time, you at or near the location of 7504 West McNichols in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
And I'm sorry, did you loiter in illegal occupation? A blind pig, did you have a blind pig?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm also satisfied with the factual basis. And we'll accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing, and the offer is a 3-month delayed sentence. So there is going to be a fine of $200. And it's gonna be due on
3 months. Yeah, September.
So it'll be due on September 6th. That's enough time for you to pay that?
Yes.
Okay, so you need to have that paid by September 6th. You also cannot receive any additional citations or tickets or anything of that nature. You understand? No further police contact.
Okay.
All right, do you have any questions?
When you say it's 3 months delayed, what does that mean?
So if you paid the fine amount and you've not received any additional tickets or citations or not really had any police contact, then this will be dismissed off your driving record or just dismissed off your record.
Okay, do I have to come back to court at that time?
Only if you failed to pay the fine amount and if you've got another ticket, then yes, you will need to appear. And that
Okay.
will be September 6th at 8:35. But if you've done everything that's been asked of you, you won't have to appear. Does that make sense?
Oh, okay. So that will be anything new, correct? Because I do have another court case that's, within that time. And that, so if I get pled guilty to that courthouse, is that what you mean? Or you need something new?
Right, anything new?
Oh, okay.
Any other questions? Any other questions?
No.
Okay, so you're all set. All right, who are you ready on next, Mr. Paul?
Kenneth Davis,
Yes.
This is the People versus Kenneth Davis, ticket number SP 1199245, count one. Failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. And your name again, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Kenneth Davis.
Your Honor, there's an offer to reduce the no operator's license to pay to display. My client accepts the offer, will plead guilty.
Okay, Mr. Davis, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes, Your Honor.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 12th, 2021 at approximately 2:18 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Wyoming Schoolcraft in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving a 1999 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license, not on person?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and the court is also satisfied with factual basis, and we'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Davis, there's gonna be a fine of $200. If I give you till July 5th to pay that, is that enough time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so, did you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so you're all set, sir.
All right. Thank you. You have a great day.
You too, thank you, sir.
Ramsey,
Yes.
just be patient, sir. You're in the right place.
Okay.
All right, this is the People versus Marcel Ramsey, ticket number 423804, count one, no valid operator's license. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir? Mr. Ramsey, your name?
Marcel Ramsey, can you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe there's a recommendation for dismissal. Would ask the court to accept it.
All right, so the court will dismiss without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Ramsey. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Have a blessed one. No.
Thank you.
Bye.
Next.
Durham,
Yes.
Okay. This is the People versus Torian Durham, ticket number SP 11093301. It's count two. Sorry. Oh, you've already played. I think this is a. Give me one moment, please. SP 110933.
Well, he has bet on that.
mind. Let me say, call it again. So this is the people versus Tory and Durham. Ticket number SP 11093301. Count one, drove a license not valid or improper. Count two, reckless driving. Ticket number SP 853608. Count one, drove our license not valid or improper. Count two, drive and register or entitled vehicle. And count three, no insurance, misdemeanor. And then we're also here on ticket number U56412220. Count one, violation of firearms ordinance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Torianne Durham.
Your Honor, my client states she has hired an attorney and it didn't appear today. She wants an adjournment just for the adjourn the pretrial so she can come in with the attorney,
Okay.
try to settle the matter.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Faulkner. Ms. Durham, how much time do you need to retain your own counsel?
Unless 2 weeks.
She's already retained one, Your Honor. It's a matter of getting him into court or her.
Okay,
It's my understanding. You might need a little more time than that for the attorney to find out what's going on or up to speed.
Okay.
Well, just, let's go for it. Um, Well, that'll be June 27th.
okay, we'll set it for June 27th at 8:35.
You got that written down, Ms. Durham?
Yes.
Okay. Call your attorney right away.
All right, any other questions? No questions? You're all set?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Reese,
Yes. Hello.
Yep, give me one moment. Okay, Tadario Reese, this is the people versus Tadario Reese, ticket number X 1097206, count one, drove our license suspended, revoked, denied, violation, and registered plate and proper display. Ticket number U7724018111, count one, disorderly conduct. Ticket number 115251117, count one, no insurance, count two, open intoxicant. Ticket number P131649, count one, drove a license not valid or improper license. And ticket number P131648, count one, no proof of insurance, count two, blocking crosswalk or interfering with pedestrians. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, Mr. Reese?
Dario Reese.
Your Honor, my client continues his not guilty plea requesting a jury trial.
All right, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Reese? Do you swear or
Yes.
affirm? Okay, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? Did you hear me? You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Your Honor, he's not waiving it. He's requesting it.
He wants a jury trial?
Yes, he does.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
It's okay.
I will set it, I'm gonna, there's a calendar for jury trials, Mr. Reese. And I think we're booked up right now, so I'll set it out for, I don't know, I guess it's 3 months.
Yeah.
I will set it out for 3 months and hopefully we'll get a new calendar to see when we can set your jury trial.
September 6th.
So let's come back on September 6th at 8:35.
Can it be later than that?
No, that's the time, sir. So just get up earlier. All right, any other questions?
You always go for this trial. Go for it.
Any other questions, Mr. Reese?
No, just trying to see what's happening on our lease.
Okay, so that's gonna be your next date,
September 6th at what?
not at 8:35.
Okay.
Okay, you're all set.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Am I finished?
You are.
Thank you so much, Mr. Paul.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Thank you.
Oh,
All right, and
Mr. Robinson?
Yes. He's good. What's it? You?
we said what? Give me one moment, Mr. Robinson.
This recall, no.
Okay, we'll come back to you. Are there any more, Mr. Faulkner?
I believe that's it.
The last one, okay. Just give us a moment, Mr. Robinson.
How many cases? Two.
SP 1240438. All right, this is the People versus Marcus Robinson, ticket number SP 1240438, count 1, leasing of accident, property damage, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Faulkner.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Marcus Robinson.
Your Honor, my client continues his not guilty plea, waives his right to a jury trial, and requests a bench trial date.
Okay, Mr. Robinson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
And you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court is gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial on July 14th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you for your patience, sir, and you're all set.
All right. Thank you as well.
Mr. Do we have a, Vanessa Dyson check in?
Dyson, no.
No?
Nope. Dyson, Vanessa Dyson, no.
Okay.
Mr. Robinson? You have to turn off your,
Okay.